AI marketing tools are absolutely everywhere right now, and they all promise to completely change the way we work. But honestly, most of it is just noise. So today, we're cutting right through all that hype to focus on 10 specific tools with real, practical workflows that you can literally start using today.
Does this sound familiar? You feel like you're just drowning in this sea of AI news, all this complex jargon, and these never-ending lists of must-have tools? If you do, you are definitely not alone. It is so easy to get overwhelmed and just not know where to even start. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to give you a super practical, actionable guide to the AI marketing tools that have been proven to actually work. No more guesswork, just solid strategy.
All right, here's the game plan. We'll kick things off with market intelligence. Then we'll jump into creating content at scale and automating your insights. And then at the end, we'll show you how to tie it all together into one powerful system. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about using AI to get a crystal clear picture of your market. This is the foundation, right? It's all about understanding what your customers are really saying and what your competitors are actually doing. Our first tool is Surfer, and you should think of it as your eyes and ears in this new world of AI-powered search. Instead of just kind of guessing at SEO, it turns it into a clear, data-driven partnership strategy. So here's the strategy. It's pretty clever. You use Surfer to see which websites the big AI models, we're talking large language models like ChatGPT, are citing the most for your key topics. Now, this isn't just some random list. It's a data-backed roadmap for your outreach. You can then prioritize getting featured on the sites that the AI already sees as an authority. It just completely removes the guesswork.
Next up is Fellow, and this tool is, wow. It's like having an X-ray machine for your sales and support calls. It's built to pull out the most valuable insights directly from the source, your customers.
And you know, the best part? You don't have to sit there and listen to hours and hours of recordings. You can simply ask Fellow, hey, show me every time a customer mentioned this specific pain point, or what were our top objections last month? It pulls the exact quotes and themes, giving you the real, unfiltered language your customers use, which, as you know, is absolute gold for your copywriters.
Now, while Fellow helps you look inward at your own data, BrightData helps you look outward. It's an incredibly powerful way to spy on your competitors by getting structured data from their websites. And get this, you don't need to write a single line of code.
BrightData has these pre-built scraper APIs. You can just think of them as ready-made data pipelines for over 100 popular sites. This means you can instantly pull things like competitor pricing, product descriptions, or customer reviews, and it delivers it all in a clean, structured format. This completely eliminates the need to build and maintain your own complex web scrapers, saving you just countless hours.
So here's how these two create a really powerful combo. You use Fellow to listen to your own customers by analyzing your internal call data. Then you use BrightData to listen to the market by analyzing public competitor data. When you put them together, they give you a complete 360-degree view of your entire landscape.
The last tool in our intelligence gathering kit is Perplexity Pro. Think of it as your personal research assistant, one that's capable of generating deep competitive intelligence reports with sources you can actually trust and verify.
Its deep research feature is seriously powerful. With just a single detailed prompt, you can have it analyze a competitor's messaging, their pricing strategy, their content focus, the whole shebang. And here's the key difference from a simple search. Perplexity provides cited sources for every single finding, so you can actually verify its work and dig deeper. All right, so now you've got all this rich market intelligence. The next big question is, what do you do with it? Well, that brings us to our next pillar, creating content at scale. AI can help you multiply your message and get it out into the world with incredible efficiency. And a perfect example of this is Riverside. It's a fantastic tool for recording high-quality video interviews, but its real power, that lies in turning that one single recording into a goldmine of different content assets. The workflow here is so simple. You record a customer testimonial or an expert interview in beautiful 4K. Then, its Magic Clips feature automatically finds the best moments and creates short, shareable clips perfect for social media. You can even edit the entire video just by editing the text transcript. It's a total game changer. Just think about the impact of that for a second. From just one interview, you can easily generate over 10 distinct assets. A full video testimonial, multiple short clips for social, powerful quotes for your ads, and even material for a written case study.
It's a true force multiplier for your content team. Speaking of testimonials, our next tool, Gamma, is basically a machine for turning them into beautiful, branded visuals in seconds. It's all about creating that crucial social proof, but quickly and easily.
I mean, the process couldn't be simpler. You just paste in a customer quote, and Gamma's AI instantly generates a whole variety of professional-looking graphics. They're perfect for Instagram stories, LinkedIn carousels, or slides for your sales deck. It turns one simple quote into 5 or 7 visual assets in just a few seconds.
Now let's talk about building your own custom automations. Riff is a no-code tool that lets you build your own little AI-powered apps. For example, you can build a content repurposing engine that's tailored specifically for your workflow.
Imagine this. You create a simple app in Riff that just watches your blog's RSS feed. Every time you publish a new article, this little app automatically generates multiple LinkedIn posts and X threads based on that article. Then it queues them all up for you to approve with a single click. One blog post instantly becomes 5 to 10 social assets. It's amazing.
Our final content tool is Claude, and its superpower is acting as a translator between your technical team and your marketing team. It is essential for turning those dense technical documents into compelling benefit-driven copy.
You can upload a technical spec sheet and ask Claude to rewrite the feature descriptions for different people. For example, it can generate benefit statements for an executive who cares about ROI, an end user who cares about ease of use, and a technical buyer who cares about integration. One document provides all the copy you need for your website, sales decks, and emails.
Okay, so we've gathered our intelligence and we've scaled our content. Now let's talk about automating the process of finding new insights and engaging with your audience using AI agents. The Ahrefs integration for Claude, the AI assistant we just mentioned, brings the full power of a top-tier SEO tool into a simple conversational interface. You can get powerful SEO data just by asking questions in plain English.
So instead of digging through a bunch of complex dashboards, you can literally just ask Claude, hey, what keywords did our competitor start ranking for this month? And it will pull the Ahrefs data and give you a full report. It's an incredibly fast way to find content gaps and new opportunities.
And for more custom automation, we have N8N. It's a powerful tool for building workflows that can act as your own personal agents, constantly searching the web for high-value conversations for you to join.
Here's a really powerful workflow. You can build an N8N agent that constantly scans Google for Reddit threads that are ranking for your target keywords. When it finds one, it flags the thread and uses AI to draft a helpful, non-spammy reply in your brand's voice, and then it queues it up for your review. This automates the incredibly time-consuming work of community engagement.
So, we've looked at some incredibly powerful individual tools, but the real magic, the secret sauce, happens when you stop thinking about them separately and start connecting them into a cohesive marketing system.
This right here is the key insight. When you combine market intelligence from Fellow with content creation in Riverside, and then automate outreach with N8N, you're not just using tools, you're building a second brain for your marketing efforts. Each part feeds the next, creating this virtuous cycle where your insights get sharper, your content gets better, and your outreach becomes more effective. It creates a truly unstoppable engine.
Now, if this idea of building a cohesive system really interests you, I highly recommend checking out the book Marketing with a Second Brain. It goes so much deeper into this whole philosophy, and it's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to build a more integrated marketing engine. We've put the Amazon link for it right down in the description for you. Okay, let's wrap this up and talk about the key takeaways so you can get started building your own AI-powered marketing system. Here's the core takeaway. Just think in these 3 pillars. First, use AI to listen deeply to your customers and your market. Second, use that intelligence to scale your content and multiply your message. And third, use AI agents to automate your outreach and engage with your audience exactly where they are. And that brings us to our final question for you. We've shared our top 10. But the AI landscape is massive, and it is always changing. So we really want to know, which AI tools have truly earned a permanent spot in your marketing workflow? Let us know your favorites down in the comments. We read every single one. And hey, if you found this guide useful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and make sure you're subscribed to Beyond Busy Work for more practical guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching.